Welcome to the top best. The Best Hunter Fan Remote is probably one of the most essential accessories for your ceiling fan, offering unparalleled convenience and control over your home's comfort and ambience without ever having to leave your seat. This small but mighty device can transform your daily routine, allowing you to adjust fan speed, light intensity, and even set timers with just the press of a button, ensuring that your living space is always at the perfect temperature and illumination level, making it an indispensable tool for modern living. Number 5. LPHUMEX Universal Ceiling Fan Remote Control Kit. Installing this universal ceiling fan remote control kit is incredibly simple. With just 5 wire connections, you can upgrade your fan without needing to remove the light kit or blades. It's designed for a quick and easy setup. Control your ceiling fan and its light independently with this versatile remote. It allows you to adjust fan speeds and turn lights on or off without leaving your seat, making it perfect for bedrooms and living areas. This kit is designed to work with most AC motor ceiling fans, including popular brands like Hunter, Harbor Breeze, Westinghouse, and Honeywell. It's an ideal solution for upgrading older fans or replacing existing remote controls. Please ensure your fan uses an AC motor, as this remote is not compatible with DC motors. Also, verify that your ceiling fan's canopy has enough space to accommodate the receiver unit before making your purchase. Easily manage your fan settings with dedicated buttons for 3 different speeds and separate controls for the light. It even comes with a wall cradle for convenient storage of the handheld remote. Each remote control is paired one-to-one with its receiver for optimal performance. For normal operation, it's essential to replace both the remote and the receiver together. What we like. This kit offers a straightforward installation process, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts. If you're looking to upgrade an older fan or replace a broken remote system without complex wiring, this is a great choice. It provides essential control over fan speed and light, making it suitable for most standard AC motor ceiling fans. What people say. The remote control replacement for the Hunter ceiling fan is a great product. It works perfectly with the fan and is easy to install. The design is sleek and modern, and it has all the features you need. Number 4. Fan 53T Ceiling Fan Remote Control. Introducing the Fan 53T, a direct replacement remote designed to bring new life to your ceiling fan. It offers convenient control over fan speed and light. This remote is specifically designed for compatible models from brands like Harbor Breeze and Hampton. Ensure your original remote operates at 303.9 MHz and matches the FCC ID model number for a perfect fit. Take full command of your comfort. Easily adjust your fan speed with HI, MED, low, and off settings, and control your light's brightness with the dedicated dimmer button. Never fumble for the remote again. The luminous green dimmer button makes it easy to locate, even in a dark room, ensuring you always have control at your fingertips. Installation is a breeze with the included wall mount holder. Set the DIP codes on the transmitter and receiver in minutes, keeping your space tidy and your remote easily accessible. Please note, this is not a universal remote and does not include a receiver or battery. It is designed for remotes with DIP switches and requires a similar physical profile to your original. It does not feature a reverse button. What we like. If your original ceiling fan remote looks like this one and operates on 303.9 MHz, this is a perfect, direct replacement. It's designed for users who already have a compatible receiver and just need a new remote with added dimmer functionality. If you value precise light control and a simple setup for an existing compatible system, consider this option. What people say. All I did was put the battery into this new remote. I didn't have to change any of the settings and it worked immediately. It just surprises me when I want to turn my fan up that it actually does it the first time I hit the button. The same with turning the light on and off. All I had to do was install a 9-volt battery and set the switch bank to the same position as my original remote, and push any of the on buttons and it worked. Number 3. CENMING Replacement Remote for Hampton Hunter Ceiling Fan. This is a direct replacement remote designed specifically for Hampton and Hunter ceiling fans. Ensure your original remote has the model number CHQ7078T, CHQ8BT7078T, or UC7078T to guarantee compatibility. Operating at a 303.9 MHz frequency, this remote is engineered to work seamlessly with compatible receivers. Please verify the FCC ID on your old remote matches the listed compatible models. Take full control of your ceiling fan with this remote. It allows you to adjust fan speed, dim the lights, and even reverse the fan's direction, provided your receiver supports these functions. Setting up your new remote is simple. Just match the dip switch settings from your old remote to the new one, insert a 9V battery, and you're ready to go. Your package includes the remote control, a convenient wall mount holder, a user manual, and all necessary screws for installation. A 9V battery is required but not included. This is a remote-only replacement and not a universal solution. It is crucial to check your original remote's model number and FCC ID to ensure it's compatible with this specific unit. What we like. For those who need to control both fan direction and light brightness, this remote is a standout. If your current fan receiver supports the reverse function and operates on 303.9 MHz, this remote offers comprehensive control. It's perfect for users who want to optimize airflow and ambience year-round with a single, easy-to-use device. What people say. The buttons have nice tactile feedback, the range is excellent, and all functionality works great. This looked and worked just the way it was described. The remote control is just like the one that came with the ceiling fan. Worked great once I adjusted the settings on a new remote to match the old one that had failed. Number 2. Hunter Universal Fan Light Remote Control Replacement, 99770. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need, a remote, receiver, wire caps, and a convenient wall mount. Keep your remote easily accessible when not in use. Enjoy reliable performance in your home with its universal compatibility. It works seamlessly with Hunter, Honeywell, Harbor Breeze, and many other brands. Installation is simple. Once the receiver is in place, the handheld control is prepared for immediate use. You can control your fan from up to 75 feet away. Effortlessly adjust between 3 fan speeds and dim compatible lights. Create the perfect atmosphere in any room with just a touch. For over 140 years, Hunter has been a leader in airflow and design. We are committed to making every space a better place with our trusted products. Experience cutting-edge, American-engineered technology. It's ETL-UL tested for the highest safety standards and backed by a commitment to durable motor quality. What we like. This is the go-to option if you want a complete, hassle-free upgrade for almost any ceiling fan. If you're looking for a reliable, all-in-one solution from a trusted brand with easy installation and broad compatibility, this kit is an excellent choice. It ensures you get precise speed and dimming control right out of the box. What people say. This remote works great on my Hunter Ceiling Fans Builders Deluxe 53091. The remote worked as advertised, and with a greater range than the original. The remote control was simple to program to work with our fan. Number 1. Universal Ceiling Fan Remote Control Kit. This compact remote control kit is designed to work with almost all standard ceiling fan lights. It's compatible with popular brands like Hunter, Harbor Breeze, and Hampton Bay, ensuring broad usability. Easily manage your fan's performance with 3 distinct speed settings and an on-off button. You can also control your lights, including dimming functions, all from the convenience of this remote. The included receiver boasts a high power rating of 240W, exceeding typical requirements. This allows for more light bulbs and contributes to a longer lifespan for the unit. Setting up this kit is a breeze. Simply match the frequency settings on the transmitter and receiver, and use the Learn key for easy pairing. Refer to the provided instructions for a smooth installation process. Before ordering, please check the receiver's dimensions to ensure it fits within your fan's canopy. Once installed, enjoy the freedom of controlling your fan's speed and lights from anywhere in the room. What we like. If you have a ceiling fan with limited canopy space, this kit's compact receiver is a significant advantage. It's manufactured by the original OEM, ensuring reliable performance and compatibility with specific Hunter, Harbor Breeze, and Hampton Bay models. If you need a durable, high-capacity solution that fits snugly and offers multi-speed and dimming control, this is the one. What people say. This remote works perfectly with my Hunter ceiling fan. Easy to install and set up, just like the original remote. The fan speeds and light functions are all responsive. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.